Hello, this is Marty Ettington, and today I'd like to talk about my book titled Fire in History and Mythology. And here's a description of what it's about. Fire's fascinating, isn't it? We love to watch fires, whether in a campfire or one in a backyard hearth or in a house fireplace. We love to cook in it, use it to purify things, and even produce weapons. Building fires is also a lot of fun. What a rush to start a fire from sticks and fire starters that you put together and then watch it burn. And what about cooking s'mores as a dessert with your friends or family? There are also a lot of methods to start a fire. Fires also protect us from wild animals. Even the largest predator doesn't want to go near a fire. They're scared of it, and for good reason. There are also many legends of fire beings, from the fire-breathing dragon to the phoenix, which burns to death and is reborn out of the ashes. Fires have also destroyed many cities in history, as well as wildfires which can destroy huge areas of land and properties on it. These fires led to the development of fire departments. Cooking was first done on fires and is still done on many fires today. Thousands of years of recipes were all developed over open fires. There's also poetry written about fire. I've included some near the end of the book. Man's climb from animals to modern humans is closely related to the usage of fire. We would probably not have survived through history without the command of fire. This book can be found on my site, MKEttingtonbooks.com. Thanks for listening.